There are two stock exchanges in Bangladesh, the Dhaka Stock Exchange (DSE) and the Chittagong Stock Exchange. There are 750 listings on the Dhaka Stock Exchange and there are 250 listings on the Chittagong Stock Exchange. Both are denominated in Takas. Bangladesh's economy is classified as a developing market economy. It is the world's 37th largest economy in nominal terms and 31st largest by purchasing power parity. It is a frontier market and one of the next 11 emerging market medium-income nations. Bangladesh's economy grew at an annual pace of 8.3% in the first quarter of 2019, making it the world's sixth fastest expanding economy. The country's main financial hubs are Dhaka and Chittagong. Bangladesh's financial industry is the third largest on the Indian subcontinent. Bangladesh's economy is one of the world's fastest growing. Bangladesh's GDP has grown at a rate of 4.5% per year on average since 2004, thanks primarily to ready-made garment exports, remittances and the local agriculture sector. Textiles, shipbuilding, fish and shellfish, jute and leather items are among the country's most important export sectors. Pharmaceuticals, steel and food processing have all evolved into self-sufficient businesses. Bangladesh's telecommunications industry has experienced a tremendous expansion in recent years, thanks to significant international investment. Bangladesh has significant natural gas reserves and is Asia's sixth largest gas producer. Offshore exploration operations in its maritime area in the Bay of Bengal are growing. It also has huge limestone resources. As part of its attempts to boost the country's burgeoning information technology industry, the government promotes the Digital Bangladesh initiative. Bangladesh is strategically vital for Nepal's and Bhutan's economy because Bangladeshi seaports give marine access to these landlocked nations. Bangladesh is also seen as a possible entry point for China's landlocked southwest, which includes Tibet, Sichuan and Yunnan. Poverty fell by about a third in the previous decade, thanks to considerable improvements in the Human Development Index, literacy, life expectancy, and per capita food consumption. Since 1992, the economy has grown at a rate of about 6% per year, lifting more than 15 million people out of poverty. Bangladesh imposes a 10% capital gain tax on non-resident shareholders. Research on Bangladesh equities can be through the Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics website. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.